In this video, we're going to be learning how to change your boarding terminal into looking like a cool retro CRT monitor from the 90s. So let's see how to do this in our Kali Linux. So I'm in my Kali Linux right now. I will first open the terminal and type the command sudo apt install cool-retro-term and press enter. After the installation has been completed, we can start using the retro terminal emulator. But before we do that, if you want to get comfortable with the Kali Linux command line, then click the first link in the description box and you will get the complete Kali Linux cheat sheet for beginners. This cheat sheet has all the commands that you need to become comfortable with the terminal. So if you get stuck, you can quickly refer to this cheat sheet. So click the first link in the description box to get this cheat sheet. To start using the retro terminal, simply type the command cool-retro-term and press enter and it will start. You can use this emulator like your normal terminal, like typing all the commands. You can also customize the terminal. So right click and if I select view, I can make it full screen. I can also change the theme by right clicking and selecting profiles and choosing the profile that I want. You can also customize at a granular level, so right click and click on settings. From here you can choose any profile that you want. You can adjust the screen and if you click on terminal, you can select the pixels. In the effects tab, you can adjust your effects. So play around with the tool and adjust your own settings. That is for the end of the video. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.